My name is Agnès Bissou. I'm the Digital Innovation Director at Louis Vuitton. After spending 10 years within creative agencies, directing marketing intelligence and consultancy entities, and working for brands like Coke, IBM, Nestlé, I joined Louis Vuitton in 2011 and built the Digital Experience and Performance Department, which was responsible for defining the Maison digital ecosystem. Driven to mix strategy and new technology, I founded the Louis Vuitton Digital Innovation Department in 2017. Our mission is to make Louis Vuitton future fit by merging physical and digital worlds, but also by creating full new value chain. I'm also in charge of leading the change brought by artificial intelligence, and mainly generative artificial intelligence, across the full Louis Vuitton value chain. To name but a few, I built the foundation of one of the world's largest luxury blockchain consortium, the Aura Blockchain Consortium. And I also created and developed the first client virtual reality experience, named Agnières Immersive, as well as Louis Vuitton Via, the Maison's first exclusive program dedicated to digital collectibles. We have major ambitions, and we have the right team to thrive and succeed, composed of diverse talent, experts from client experience, blockchain, Web3, strategy, communication, data, artificial intelligence, and new technologies. In the luxury industry, the role of innovation is to uphold creativity and savoir-faire by acting on every level of the value chain, from conception, creation, production, and distribution. Also, innovation allows us to share our history with our clients in a new way. For instance, we created Agnières Immersive, Louis Vuitton's first virtual reality client experience, to support story sharing with our clients. The goal was to share with our client our historical savoir-faire and maison history through a unique experience, transporting them into the heart of the house in a very entertaining way. Of course, the magic of Agnières Immersive happens in our stores and also in our Savoir Rêver events around the world. We believe that virtual reality technology is mature enough with the right quality to invite our clients into those universes. It was totally new, and our clients are curious and ready to pioneer and experience new fields with us. This reinforced their connection with the Maison, and they enjoyed learning more about our history and savoir-faire in a very unique, immersive, and entertaining way. Innovation can also help us to transmit our savoir-faire, our artisan gesture. Mixed reality technology will certainly help us to transmit this gesture and savoir-faire within the craftsman in our atelier. Louis Vuitton has already a long history of innovation. In 1854, the flat trunk was a revolution in traveling. In 1929, the first Stokowski traveling desk was created, and with the advent of flexible canvas in 1950, it shaped how people travel for generations. Louis Vuitton is always looking for the next horizon and frontier. It's part of our DNA as a maison. Thus, Louis Vuitton continue to be groundbreaking. Our creative directors have always piloted audacious and new creative and artistic collaborations. Louis Vuitton is fundamentally a house of culture. Our culture is one of creativity and innovation is part of this culture. At Louis Vuitton, innovation is not a race. It's here to last, to identify and activate new technologies. Since the first day, it has been about shaping the future of our maison, building something that will last for the next 180 years, just as the first trunks back in 1854. Let's look at the Louis Vuitton Via, which puts our maison in a new path. It's a unique program accessible to 200 clients to explore new horizons, unveil exclusive products, and offer unique experiences to our customer through a passport between digital and physical worlds. This program embodies a new form of disruptive loyalty, as it is direct, cooperative, and community-based model with traditional clients and also digital collection enthusiasts. In a market where brands must build strong bonds with their clients, Via leverage all 5 key levers of client loyalty: reward, ownership, recognition, empowerment, and of course connection. Via is part of Louis Vuitton House of Culture. It helps nurture and make a link between our historical savoir-faire and digital craftsmanship. Now that we've learned all about innovation at Louis Vuitton, let's focus where the maison draws its inspiration. To begin, we are inspired by the DNA of our maison, our long history of creativity, inventiveness, and pioneer spirit. We are also inspired by the world around us and by what's happening in the world, such as societal changes, digital innovation, and the ever-evolving intersection between luxury and fashion. We look closely at market trends, usage, adoption, new technology, product performance, and identify and size new strategic opportunities. Our role at Digital Innovation is to identify and experiment with the next big transformation that will impact our maison and also our industry. Therefore, we look at new technologies that are changing the playing fields. For example, how can tools like generative artificial intelligence can support creative and designers and bring value to both our clients and the maison. We also look at the crossroads of technologies like generative AI and blockchain, which will create new synergies, opportunities, and challenges. And of course, we look at culture, how our fashion and art-driven demand for new products, events, and experiences. In our ever-changing world, it's an exciting time to be focused on making Louis Vuitton future fit. To conclude, there are few points to keep in mind to foster innovation in a maison like Louis Vuitton. First, anchor innovation in the DNA of the maison. If you can change the label, you are on the wrong path. Adopt the pioneer spirit of Louis Vuitton. Be an entrepreneur. Share your knowledge and vision with the people that can help you put them into action. Dream and take a bold, daring approach.
Hello, I'm Gonzague de Piré, the Chief Omnichannel and Data Officer of LVMH. After more than a decade working as a CEO and 3 years working at Sephora, I joined the holding at this position in 2023. At LVMH, my role involves overseeing the integration of omnichannel approaches and leveraging data to meet evolving customer expectations. Today, I would like to share insight on how digital transformation is addressing new consumer expectations and supporting the evolution of the luxury industry. Digital transformation has fundamentally altered the way customers interact with luxury brands. The pandemic accelerated this shift, pushing us to reinvent the client experience. Customers now demand flexibility, personalization, and immediacy. They expect to interact with our brands seamlessly, whether they are shopping online, in-store, or through social media. At LVMH, we have embraced this change by transforming our stores and online platforms to offer a consistent and enriched customer journey. Our digital initiatives include the use of high technology such as 3D animation, augmented reality, and virtual reality to create immersive experiences. These technologies allow customers to engage with our products in a new and exciting ways, enhancing the storytelling of our brands and making the shopping experience more interactive and memorable. Omnichannel is a client-centric approach aimed at providing a consistent, qualitative, and seamless customer experience across all channels and geographies. At LVMH, we define omnichannel as the integration of all our assets, including inventory, tools, system, and data, to deliver a holistic and unified experience. This approach allows us to re-enchant product discovery, enable clients to choose their own luxury journey, and evolve from a unique selling ceremony to a unique service ceremony. For example, customers can now pre-order items, find product in stores, use click and collect services, make e-reservation, and enjoy same-day deliveries. These options provide flexibility and convenience, ensuring that the customer experience is smooth and stress-free. Additionally, we have introduced remote communication options such as streaming selling sessions and video chatting with consultants, allowing us to maintain a personal connection with our clients even from a distance. To support our omnichannel strategy, we have revamped our value chain to ensure cross-functional collaboration and full integration of our Maison's assets. This involves optimizing all operations from order allocation and warehouses to stores, delivery, and after-sales services. By aligning the organization under one collective goal and fostering collaboration across various functions, we can deliver a seamless and exceptional customer experience. This transformation touches upon all activities, including inventory management, store design, processes, roles and responsibilities, hiring and training, and store routines. We have also implemented relevant KPIs to measure the success and impact of our omnichannel initiatives. By breaking down silos and promoting teamwork, we ensure that every part of the value chain contributes to the execution and progression of our strategies. The use of new technologies and digital tools play a crucial role in optimizing the omnichannel experience. At LVMH, we leveraged advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence and augmented reality and virtual reality to enhance product discovery and customer engagement. AI helps us to analyze customer data to provide personalized recommendations and improve inventory management. AR and VR allow us to create immersive and interactive experiences, making the customer journey more engaging and personalized. For instance, customers can use AR to virtually try on products or visualize how a product would look in their home. These tools not only enhance the shopping experience, but also help us better understand and anticipate customer needs. In conclusion, the digital transformation and omnichannel strategies at LVMH are centered around meeting and exceeding customer expectations. By leveraging new technologies and fostering cross-functional collaboration, we ensure a seamless and enriched customer experience across all touch points. Our commitment to innovation and excellence drives us to continually enhance the luxury journey for our clients. As we move forward, we will continue to explore new frontiers and reinvent ourselves to stay ahead of the curve and deliver the best possible service to our customers. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to sharing more insights in the future.